Unleash your creativity, the longer RAY5 laser engraver. Hey makers, tired of limitations? Ready to bring your designs to life with incredible precision and ease? Then get ready to meet the longer RAY5 laser engraver, your all-in-one solution for stunning creations. Forget clunky software and complicated setups. The RAY5 boasts a massive 3.5-inch touchscreen, letting you control everything offline. Simply load your design onto a TF card and start engraving or cutting, no computer needed. But that's not all. The RAY5's ultra-fine 0.08 by 0.08 millimeter laser point delivers incredibly detailed results thanks to its powerful 5 to 5.5 watt laser module. This isn't your grandma's engraver. Powered by a blazing fast 32-bit chipset and Wi-Fi connectivity, the RAY5 works seamlessly with your computer or directly through its app or web interface for ultimate convenience. Safety is paramount. The RAY5 features automatic shutdown protection if moved during operation or if overheating occurs. Plus, its acrylic laser cover protects your eyes, though safety glasses are still recommended. Imagine crafting personalized gifts, intricate artwork, or even custom prototypes, all from the comfort of your home. The RAY5 is compatible with popular software like Laser GRBL and Lightburn, supporting a wide range of file formats. But don't wait, this incredible offer won't last forever. For a limited time, we're offering a special discount and free shipping. Click the link in the description below to snag yours before they're gone. Don't just dream it, create it. Get your longer RAY5 today and unlock a world of creative possibilities. Click the link below to order now and unleash your inner artist. Subscribe for more crafting inspiration and don't forget to share this video with your fellow makers.